All right. Hey, in honor of this COVID end of the world, emergency shutdown, destruction of all of mankind, here at The Loop, we recognized that this is not something to be taken lightly, and that we need to make sure that our team is not only protected so that when they go into a job, that they are protected from any viruses so we can continue to keep you safe, but then also that in the rare event that potentially one of us get infected and it's the end of the world, but you still need your Netflix to work, we're prepared and we're here for you. So that's why we've went ahead, stepped up our game at The Loop to make sure you're protected from COVID. So what we've done is we've went ahead and outfitted our technicians with everything needed to make sure you're protected. Full Tyvek bodysuit, check. Safety glasses, check. Organic vapor canister particle mask respirator, check. Full hood, zipped up, fully enclosed, including gloves to fully enclose any bacteria that may be present. We even have a full suit that includes feet, so there is no chance of escapement because we recognize that this is the start of the end and that the world is coming to an end. But even at the end, we all need TV. And we all need our technology to work. We understand that. We understand that television sometimes is more important than heating and cooling. We feel your pain right here. And that's why at The Loop, we go above and beyond to make sure you guys are protected and that you get your Netflix and your Amazon. Unfortunately, we don't sell toilet paper, so we're not going to be able to help you with that situation. But we are going to be able to come in just like our technician Mike here is fully outfitted to make sure that when your Netflix or your Amazon or your DirecTV or your Dish Network goes down, you can rest assured that we'll show up dressed and ready for the COVID end of the world situation we're in right now. So just wanted to give you guys that tip, let you know we're here for you. We understand the severity of the situation. All right. So if you need help with your Netflix, your Amazon, your DirecTV or Dish, give us a call and we'll make sure that our technicians are outfitted effectively to make sure that your TV is not interrupted. That's your tech tip for today. Have a great day, guys.